Hello, bonjour! In my last video, we talked about how the body synthesizes collagen when you give it the proper food, of course. But did you know the collagen is also a structural block for the entire body? It's the shock absorber for your joints. It builds muscles, stronger bones, ligaments. It's needed in your entire body. So it's not just about beauty. It's also a wellness insurance. So it's smart of you in your 20s, 30s, 40s, and eat food that will provide that collagen from inside out, from a plant. Of course, I'm a vegan. I'm going to talk to you about the plant source. Of course I will. And at the same time, because you eat plants, you have the fiber, you have the phytonutrients, the polyphenols, you've got all that. Today, I'm teaching you my collagen booster wrap so that in every bite that you take, it contributes to make your body stronger. Ready? It can be done with lentils. I have the red lentils here. I have the beluga lentils here. So the lentils here have been soaked overnight. Rinse very, very well. That's important. Beluga lentil, they've been soaked and sprouted, so it's ideal. Then you can also do it with beans. Same thing. You soak them, you sprout them. You can do it with edamame. All these foods here are nutrient rich in the amino acids that you need for the collagen. It could also be quinoa, buckwheat. You can also do the wraps with those. But today we'll do the wraps with the edamame. The other thing that is important to know, if you do it with the lentil, then you peel your zucchini, because otherwise it will give a green, kind of a green tinge to your food. So any ingredients that you use, like buckwheat, let's say, or it would be butternut squash, you peel the zucchini so it doesn't change the color. With the green peel, it would. But with the edamame, you don't need to peel, of course, because it's green. Okay, so we're ready to do the wrap, because it's so easy to do. Blender jar on the scale, and then we start with the edamame. So of course you will receive the recipe as usual. It will be a link in the description, as well with a chart of the most nutrient-rich food for the amino acids and the cofactor, the vitamin C, the zinc, the iron, and the zinc, iron, copper. But know that all plants have a combination of some sort with the amino acids that we need, or with the cofactor that we need. It's all in with the vegan food, of course. And let's start. So we do 50 grams of the edamame, 50 grams of the zucchini. So we are at 100. Then we add let me just see, am I in the right order? Here, the water. We do 25 grams of water, ideally filtered water. Then we add 5 grams of lemon juice. And we add 5 grams of the date paste. And we add 3 grams of the vegetable bouillon. You'll have the recipe for that one as well, because it's just all made with seasoning, so there is no ingredients that you shouldn't have. Let's put it this way. 1/4 teaspoon of the salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of the sea moss. So the ingredient that I just put through here in the recipe, the zucchini is as a cofactor, lemon juice is cofactor, the edamame is a complete protein. What else we have? The sea moss also is a cofactor. It helps with the collagen. So they all help. That's why it's in the recipe. And then we blend. Okay, excellent. Now I just followed what I call the basic recipe. So after that, if you want to do the beet, or if you want to do the beans, or if you want to do the quinoa, there is a suggestion here as to which seasoning you could add for flavor. And I forgot with the edamame here is to add the chlorella or spirulina. I'm adding as much as I can in my recipe of ingredients that contribute to creating that collagen in the body. Okay? Now the next thing that we do is we add 20 grams of the golden flax that is ground. Seeds are an excellent source for the collagen, and we blend. Excellent! And now I will pour into a bowl. In my previous class, when I taught you the wrap, I showed you that template to use to make the wrap. It's an expensive template, so you don't have to do that. I came up with another trick. Here I have a 𝗘-𝗕liche sheet, and I think if I do that, you'll see better. I have a 𝗘-𝗕liche sheet, so you can take a parchment paper if you like. You see the round here? This is the size of my wrap. And what I did is I used a bowl and a Sharpie, and I went around the bowl, and now I know what size to make the wrap, and it makes it easier to actually spread within the line. And we will put 70 grams per wrap. So one here, and then here is the other 70 grams. So it's always simple when you use the weight. That's why I'm doing it this way. Okay, now we use an offset spatula. It's a little one. I find that it works better, easier to control. And then you go like this, in circle, like this, you see? And then you just stay within the line. Now, because of the flax, don't walk away and do something else and come back later. Do your wrap right away. It's easier if you do it right away. When you spread, usually there is more in the middle than in the center than on the side. So make sure you spread and you bring it to the edges. Like that. There you go. Then you can just go around like this with your knife. See? Simple like that. So let's spread the other one. There. So of course the more you do it, the easier it will be. And there. It's ready to go in the dehydrator for 3 hours. If you use your oven, you have to check it. I couldn't tell. It depends how low it goes. It depends if your hair circulates or not. It depends on a few things. So 3 hours, and then we flip. Now let me show you. Here I have the one made with the lentil, so I can show you how to flip. So you can do this, no problem, they won't fall. And then you put it on your tray. Now what you do is important with your hand here. You press so that the wrap stays down while you pull the sheet. You see what I'm doing? So my hand here at the back is pressing constantly to keep the wrap. Just like that. Then you see the side here is a little wet. That goes back for 1 hour. And then I will teach you how to assemble that beautiful wrap. Okay, let's assemble the wrap. I'm using a bok choy leaf. Why? Because I will use the dill nut cheese as a spread to add to the wrap. And if I put it directly on the wrap, because it will make it wet, then it will make the wrap fall apart. So I'm using the leaf as a barrier. It could be lettuce leaf, it could be a collard leaf. So we're putting that leaf on top first, then some of the spread. And it could be the hummus. It could be also the dill nut cheese mixed with the chili. And here I have the marinated mushroom. Oh, this is gonna add such a delicious taste. And really, you just need a few. Well, you can put more if you like. This is a watermelon radish. See the inside? It's just a little bit, sharp like a radish, but it's lovely. And the color is amazing. So I'm putting that on my wrap here. And always remember, your wrap, you have to do it so that it falls after, so don't spread too much. This is butternut squash. I didn't say the dill nut cheese, excellent source of zinc and copper. The bok choy also has all the cofactor to synthesize the collagen. The butternut squash is an excellent source of vitamin C, again a cofactor, and look at the color, isn't it gorgeous? Then I'm adding tofu. Tofu is complete protein. And as you can see, I'm building again, think of folding it after. That's why I'm doing it this way. And then here, I'm adding mustard leaves. It's a beautiful touch of color, but also the taste. Oh, the next one that I'm adding is microgreen. Microgreens are an excellent source of vitamin, minerals, and provide a full spectrum of amino acids. See how beautiful that is? Look at that. Delicious, nutritious, boost your body with collagen. And remember, collagen is not only for people that are old like me. It's also for you who are 20 and 30 and 40. Just like anything else in life. When you start earlier, you build. It helps with your bones, it helps with your ligament, your muscles, your skin, of course. So start early. Create a reserve. And then when you get older, you'll also have a beautiful skin and strong muscles. Enjoy. Please leave a comment, a share, subscribe. That also helps me tons to make more, way more videos for you. See you in the next one.